Anduril Industries has ruled out the Roadrunner drone, a groundbreaking development in aerial defense. This autonomous vehicle stands out for its ability to reshape military tactics and strategies. With the introduction of the Roadrunner, Anduril is not just pushing the boundaries of technology, but is also setting new standards in defense capabilities. Anduril Industries, founded in 2017, is a U.S. defense company, specializing in autonomous systems, leveraging technology often rejected by Silicon Valley due to its military applications, such as artificial intelligence and robotics. Its product range includes unmanned aerial systems, or UAS, counter-UAS, autonomous surveillance systems, and networked command and control software. The Roadrunner, one of Anduril's key products, is an autonomous air vehicle that features vertical takeoff and landing, or VTOL, capabilities. This reusable drone is equipped with twin turbojet engines and supports modular payload configurations for diverse missions. Its high subsonic speed and high G-force maneuverability are powered by these turbojet engines. Roadrunner's design focuses on high performance and flexibility, enabling it to launch rapidly and return to any location for recovery and reuse at a minimal cost. A notable variant of the Roadrunner is the Roadrunner-M, a high-explosive interceptor designed for ground-based air defense. It can rapidly identify and destroy a wide range of aerial threats, with the option to be safely recovered and relaunched. This capability is augmented by cutting-edge AI and autonomy, allowing a single operator to supervise multiple Roadrunners simultaneously. Its open architecture ensures interoperability with existing air defense radars, sensors, and systems, making it a deployable solution in current defense setups. The Roadrunner is supported by Nest, a networked automated hangar system that ensures the drone is always prepared for immediate launch. Nest features integrated environmental stability systems and health monitoring to maintain the Roadrunner's readiness. The development of this drone by Anduril Industries involved a collaborative effort with the U.S. government, particularly the U.S. Special Operations Command, or SOCOM. Over the past 2 years, Anduril has been working on the Roadrunner, a new subsonic, vertical takeoff and landing drone that can be reused for surveillance missions or in a kamikaze-like fashion to strike moving aircraft. This development process was part of Anduril's broader goal to provide affordable, effective, and quickly developed defense solutions. Anduril's partnership with SOCOM, encapsulated in a $1 billion deal, tasked the company with leading counter-drone systems integration work. This partnership emphasizes the advancement and sustainment of counter-unmanned systems capabilities for special operations forces. Anduril's approach under this partnership is software-first, leveraging its open and interoperable Lattice operating system. This system is designed to deliver autonomous detection, classification, and tracking of targets, offering solutions to engage and destroy threats. The Lattice system's modularity and scalability are crucial for integrating best-in-class third-party sensors and effectors, ensuring the systems remain future-proof at no additional cost to the customer. The Roadrunner is a unique combination of a drone and a missile, designed to tackle both military and economic challenges, particularly in scenarios like those faced by countries such as Ukraine under aerial attack. This jet-propelled, payload-adaptable drone is suitable for intelligence, reconnaissance, and surveillance missions. Equipped with advanced artificial intelligence in its operational software, the Roadrunner-M variant acts as a smart missile, capable of identifying and destroying hostile incoming aircraft. The design of the Roadrunner stems from Anduril's observations of attacks on U.S. forces in the Middle East and Ukraine's defense against UAV and missile strikes by Russia. The drone's development was driven by the need to respond to acute aerial threats posed by military-grade or repurposed UAVs while avoiding the use of expensive or limited defense assets. Roadrunner-M addresses these challenges by offering an easy, automatic response. This ready-to-launch drone is a cost-effective option for vertical takeoff and landing, deployable from nearly any location to search and neutralize enemy vehicles. Notably, it can return for redeployment if its mission doesn't end in destruction. Roadrunner-M can take off, follow, and intercept distant targets at the first hint of danger, giving operators more time to assess the target and rules of engagement. If there's no need to destroy the target, Roadrunner-M can return to base for immediate refueling and reuse. This feature, along with its ability to be outfitted with sensors for ISR missions or equipped with a warhead, makes it versatile for various military applications. Anduril's focus on providing affordable, effective, and fast-developed aerial systems is evident in Roadrunner's rapid evolution from concept to fieldable solution in less than 2 years, much faster than typical defense contractor timelines. In terms of range, the Roadrunner-M's one-way effective range is 10 times greater than its counterparts, enabling engagement with distant targets. Its design also features enhanced maneuverability in high G-force situations, being 3 times more agile than similar systems. Integration with Lattice, Anduril's AI-powered command and control software, is a key aspect of Roadrunner's functionality. This allows a single operator to control multiple Roadrunner or Roadrunner-M squadrons simultaneously, significantly improving operational efficiency. Additionally, Roadrunner's open architecture ensures it can be integrated into existing air defense systems, radars, and sensors, offering immediate deployability and compatibility with current defense infrastructure. One of the primary advantages is its cost-effectiveness. The drone's design for reusability and recoverability drastically reduces the long-term operational costs. Unlike traditional defense assets that are expended upon use, the Roadrunner can be recovered, refueled, and redeployed, minimizing the need for continuous procurement of new units. This attribute is particularly beneficial for military operations where budget constraints are a critical factor. Another significant advantage of the Roadrunner is its enhanced decision-making capability. Equipped with advanced AI and autonomy, the drone allows operators to manage multiple units simultaneously, increasing the efficiency of surveillance and defense operations. The AI integration also aids in rapid threat assessment and response, enabling operators to make informed decisions quickly. This capability is crucial in high-stakes environments where swift action can be the difference between success and failure. Furthermore, the Roadrunner's VTOL, which stands for Vertical Takeoff and Landing, ensures operational flexibility. It can be deployed from almost any location, reducing the need for specialized launch infrastructure and allowing for quick response to emerging threats. This versatility in deployment and the ability to adapt to various mission requirements make the Roadrunner a valuable asset in modern military operations. Currently, the cost of a single Roadrunner unit is in the low hundreds of thousands of dollars. However, as production scales up, the costs are expected to decrease. This reduction in cost is partly due to Anduril's decision to manufacture its own turbojet engines, which allows for better cost and performance control. This approach reflects the company's strategy to make the Roadrunner a more affordable option in the long run, especially compared to more expensive defense solutions. In terms of production, Anduril has entered a low-rate initial production phase, planning to build hundreds of units. This phase follows a 2-year development period that saw the company work closely with a U.S. government customer. The Roadrunner-M variant, while potentially more costly than other counter-drone systems, addresses a broader range of threats. This capability positions it as a cost-effective alternative to more expensive missile systems like the Patriot, which costs approximately $4 million per unit. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated on the latest in defense technology, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below. We value your opinions and look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Stay tuned for more updates and analysis on groundbreaking technologies shaping our world.